Ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon ay persecution after ng Sunday law na implement. Dito sa Daniel chapter 8 verse 25, through his policy and by using peace shall destroy many. So dito sa Revelation chapter 13 verses 16 and 17, alipin, priso man, mayaman, ikaw ay nangingilin ng Sunday. And through his policy, Revelation chapter 20 verse 4 describe their faith in Jesus. They were beheaded. Matthew 24 verse 9, you shall be hated of all nations and kill you for my name's sake. Chapter 57 verse 1, the righteous perish. Some righteous flee to the mountain, according to Matthew 24 verse 16. Kind of persecution, what kind of severe persecutions in the future event, like beheaded, paputulong mga liig, mga 70 Adventists or Sabbath keeper, susunugin ng buhay, and fire squad, and faith in lions, and bring the others legislators to testify their faith in Jesus Christ by using peace. Ito yung gagawin, implementation. Hindi ka pwedeng bumili, hindi ka pwedeng magtinda kung wala kang marka or mark or Sunday keeping.